Before you borrow money again, stop. Because one wrong debt decision can silently delay your life for years. Many people are not poor, they are just paying for decisions they made yesterday. Welcome to Lessons by Emmy Dollars, where money finally makes sense. Debt itself is not evil. Debt is a tool. Or tools can build or destroy. Bad debt is money borrowed for things that lose value and don't pay you back. Phones. Bad debt feels good today, but steals tomorrow. This is why many people work hard but remain stuck. Good debt helps you grow. It builds skills, income, or assets. Ask this question: will this debt pay me back? People stay trapped because of emotions, peer pressure, and no emergency fund. One problem hits, borrowing starts again. Step 1. Stop adding new debts. You can't escape while digging deeper. Step 2. Write down everything you owe. Clarity removes fear. Step 3. Clear the smallest debt first. Momentum changes mindset. Step 4. Reduce enjoyment temporarily. Short pain creates long freedom. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. This is your protection. Save before spending. Cash first, credit last. Increase income before lifestyle. Welcome back. Today we're diving into growth strategies. Check out this chart on the board. Hit subscribe for more lessons like this.